Hi, my dad just came back from the fishing trip. Let's see what story he has to tell.
No, you go. The question is it the same one?
I don't know. Probably your brother-in-law. That's on a circle hook. Sonic
When was the last time you caught a fish in a small boat? Were you standing or sitting? Were you alone or fishing with friends? Do you remember what you caught? Well, we are backing up our fishtail using video and RFID tags. We used a VholdR helmet camera to record our outdoor Kodiak adventure. The 27-mile boat ride to the distant island was over an hour long and was fairly rough. We were jigging for halibut in about 135 feet of water. I used a Tasmanian devil lure and gently bounced it off the bottom. The trick is to keep the line taut and remain standing. It was an outrageous day on the water.
Oh, you both. Oh, don't let it now. Drive back there, gentlemen. Here, we're screwed if you do. I got it.